Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Rogers, Instructional Technology Specialist here at RESA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on the new Office editing tool within G Suite. This new tool allows you to edit, comment, and collaborate in real time within Google Drive on Microsoft Office files by just using Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So this is a great new feature for anyone who works with people in organizations that some use Office and some use G Suite, because you can now use the great features in G Suite that allows for that real-time collaboration, in addition to not having to convert the file types back into Office. The supported Office file formats are as follows for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And so I'll show you how to work between Word and Google Docs, Excel and Google Sheets, and PowerPoint and Google Slides. My first example is going to be working with a Microsoft Word document and showing you how you actually work within a Google Doc to have that seamless collaboration and reflecting the changes in real time. So if I already have a Microsoft Word document brought into my Google Drive, if I double click on the document, it gives me a preview of what it would look like with Word, and it gives me the option to open with Word. But I want to actually open it with a Google Docs, so then those changes are reflected in both places. So I click the caret, say Open with Google Docs. And now your Microsoft Word document opens in a format that looks like Google Docs. But if you look up at the top, the file extension, this .docx, Microsoft Word format, this indicates when you're viewing a file in Office format. So now when you see that, you know that you can now edit, share, view version history, collaborate in real time with others. All those things that you can use in Google Drive, you're now using that in this format, but it's all those changes are going to be saved to the original Microsoft Office file, which is going to be a huge time saver for people. So if I go in and I, make a change to my .docx file, I will then be able to see those changes reflected if I open up this document in my Microsoft Word format. So if I go back to my drive, and instead of open this with Google Docs, I say open with Word. When I open this up, I should see the same changes as I did in my Google Doc, which I do. So you don't need to convert these anymore. It does the seamless converting for you, and the changes are made in real time. The second example I want to show you is if you didn't already have a Microsoft Word document within your drive and you want to bring in a file from your computer, you'd start off by saying New, File Upload, and then you pick a document you want to bring in, and you say Open, and it's going to upload that Word document. If for some reason this brings in the document, but it brings it in as a Google Doc, that means that in your settings, if you go to your gear icon in Settings, under Convert Uploads, you have this button selected, Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format, so it automatically pulls in any Word documents and it converts it automatically to Google Docs. So for now, this new feature, you might want to consider unselecting that, so you have the option to not have it automatically convert. So now I either right click and say Open with Google Docs, or again I can double click and preview the document and say Open with Google Docs. And again, it will open up the document in this .docx Microsoft Word format file, but gives you the functionality of Google Docs, the sharing, the reflecting changes in real time, the viewing the version history, all those great features that we love about using Google Docs. And all those changes will be saved to that original Microsoft Office file. And again, this new Office editing tool works not just with Word documents, but also Excel and PowerPoint. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.